Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve an interesting exponential equation. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our YouTube channel. Going to a solution, we will first divide and multiply 2 power x plus 2 to the left hand side of the equation. So we have 2 power x plus 2 divided by 2 power x plus 2 into 2 power 3x minus 1 minus 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we will shift 2 power x plus 2 to the inside, so both these terms will be divided by 2 power x plus 2. Here we have 2 power x plus 2 into 3x minus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 2 minus 2 power x plus 2 divided by 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, sorry, here we have 2 power 3x minus 1, here it's 2. Okay, we have 2 power x plus 2. Yes, both these bases are equal, so we can write it 2 power 3x minus 1 minus x plus 2 minus s. These both denominator and numerator are equal, so they will be cancelled out. It's equal to 1 is equal to 0. It's equal to 2 power x plus 2 and 2 power, to subtract 3x minus 1 and x plus 2, it's equal to 2x minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we set each vector equal to 0. We have 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 0 and 2 power 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2 power 2x minus 3 minus 1, here we have 1 2 also. Solution of this problem is impossible because 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 0, and any number having a power, it cannot be equal to 0. So here we have 2 power 2x minus 3 is equal to 1. This minus 1 will be shifted to right side, so it will become plus 1. Okay, as we know that anything power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so 2 power 0 is also equal to 1, so we have 2 power 2x minus 3 is equal to 2 power 0. From here both bases are equal, so their powers are also equal. We have 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 3, here x is equal to 3 by 2. Now to verify the answer, put x is equal to 3 by 2 here in this equation. So we have 2 power 3 into 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 2 power 3 by 2 plus 2. We have 3 into 3 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 7 by 2. We have 2 power 7 by 2 minus 2 power 3 by 2 plus 1, and this is equal to also equal to 7 by 2. So these terms, both terms are same, and when they are subtracted from each other, it's equal to 0. So here it's verified.